If you've ever dealt with flimsy chairs, uncomfortable cushions, or patio furniture that just doesn't hold up to the weather, then you know how much better your outdoor space can be with the right set. But with so many outdoor patio furniture sets on the market, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. Some are hard to assemble, others don't last more than a season, and a few just aren't comfortable enough to relax in. So in this video, I'll be going over the 7 best outdoor patio furniture sets that are actually worth buying. Whether you're furnishing a small balcony, a cozy backyard corner, or a full outdoor dining area, there's an option here for every space and style. Each set on this list stands out for a different reason, so by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your needs. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these outdoor patio furniture sets aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 7 is the Devoco Wicker Patio Conversation Set. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. If you want a clean, simple outdoor setup without spending a ton, this one makes sense. It's a 3-piece set. You're gonna have 2 wicker chairs and a small matching table out of the box. The chairs are made with PE rattan and a strong steel frame, which means they're built to handle rain, wind, and hot weather without falling apart. The seats are padded with soft sponge cushions, so you're not sitting on hard wicker. And the cushion covers come off, which makes cleaning way easier. The table has a toughened glass top that's light but strong, and you can wipe it down in seconds. So if you're looking for a patio furniture set that's as easy on the wallet, the Devoco Wicker Patio Conversation Set is a solid pick. Number 6 is the Grand Patio Outdoor Folding Bistro Set. This is the most compact bistro patio set on our list. I like this for those small, quiet spaces where you just want to sit down and relax for a bit. It comes with 2 chairs and a round table, and the best part is that there's no real setup. You just unfold everything and you're done. The frame of these chairs is made from powder-coated steel, so it's built to handle outdoor use without rusting, even if you live near the coast. This patio set comes in 6 different color options, so you can match your vibe. The chairs feel solid too. Each one can hold up to 330 pounds, but they're still light enough to move around easily. The seat and back have wide, thick bars, which make them more comfortable than they look. There are also small plastic caps on the feet to help protect your floor if you use it indoors. And if one of those pieces is missing, Grand Patio will replace it. When you're done using it, the whole set folds flat. That makes it perfect for small patios, balconies, or for storing away during winter. Size-wise, the table is just under 24 inches wide, and the chairs are compact but supportive. It also comes with a 1-year warranty, which is nice. Here's what Charles wrote. This set is small yet beautiful and strong as it is solid steel with an excellent powder coat of peacock blue. It fits my small greenhouse well, and the seats are surprisingly comfortable. A great set at a fair price. I love it. So if you want something compact and stylish, the Grand Patio Outdoor Folding Bistro Set is a great choice. Number 5 is the Better Homes and Gardens Ottoman Set. This is the best outdoor ottoman and accent set on our list. You're gonna have a Loveseat and a matching ottoman, so you can stretch out and relax. It's a great fit for smaller patios, but also works well if you're adding it to a bigger setup. The frame is made from steel that's both E-coated and powder-coated, which helps protect it from rust, peeling, and bad weather. On top of that, it has hand-woven, all-weather wicker, so it looks warm and cozy, but still holds up outside. The cushions are another big plus. They're made with fade-resistant fabric and treated with 3M Scotchgard, so spills and stains are manageable. You don't have to panic if a drink tips over. The Loveseat can hold up to 450 pounds, and the ottoman supports up to 225, so it feels solid and well built. Assembly is also required, but it's pretty straightforward. So if you want a comfy outdoor set where you can put your feet up and relax, the Better Homes and Gardens Ottoman Set is the one to choose. Number 4 is the Article Lubic Low Corner Sectional. This is the best sectional set on our list. It sits low to the ground, which makes it easy to sink in and relax. You can sit, stretch out, or even lie down without feeling stiff. The base of this sofa is made from solid acacia wood, and it gives the whole set a warm and natural look. Each piece has its own grain and color, so no 2 sets look the same. Over time, the wood slowly fades into a soft gray, which actually works well outdoors. The legs are powder-coated steel, so you still get strength and balance underneath, and the cushions are thick, foam-padded, and made to handle outdoor weather. They're firm enough to support you, but soft enough to stay comfortable. The clean lines and slatted back make it look modern. Assembly is pretty light too. It takes about 15 minutes and you're good to go. So if you want a modern outdoor sectional that's built low and looks great without being flashy, the Article Lubic low corner sectional is the one to go for. And if you want to know the latest prices for the outdoor patio furniture sets discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 3 is the Outer Teak Outdoor Loveseat. This is the most premium outdoor loveseat on our list. Now, this one has a low-key but elegant design. It's built to last and made for times when you want to sink into a seat and not think about anything else. The frame is crafted from FSC certified grade A teak, which is the best of outdoor woods. Plus, it's naturally resistant to pests, mold, and weather. Over time, it develops a soft, beautiful patina. And the cushions are made with fade-resistant machine-washable fabric. They feel cloud-like, soft but supportive, and can withstand sun, rain, and spills without losing shape or color. Plus, cleaning is simple too. Design-wise, the Loveseat is streamlined and modular, so it fits with other furniture or works beautifully on its own. Price-wise, this is definitely a premium option. It's higher than typical patio sets, but you're paying for quality materials, expert craftsmanship, and comfort that will last for years. So if you're looking for a luxurious and thoughtfully made outdoor loveseat, the Outer Teak Outdoor Loveseat is a perfect choice. Number 2 is the Neighbor Haven Loveseat. This is the best casual outdoor loveseat on our list. This one is like that easy, laid-back seat you naturally drift to when you want to slow down. The Haven Loveseat is made with a solid teak wood frame, so it has a warm, natural look that works in almost any backyard or patio. It doesn't really look like typical outdoor furniture. Instead, it feels more like something you'd find in a sleek, modern living room, but made to handle outdoors. And the back has a clean rope design that gives it a modern shape, but feels relaxed. The cushions are thick, supportive, and made with quick-dry foam, which is huge if you don't want to panic every time it rains. The fabric used is Sunbrella, so it's made to handle sun, spills, and everyday mess without fading. It's also easy to clean, which matters a lot. One thing I really like is that it's modular. You can add pieces later or fit them into different spaces, which makes it great if your patio setup changes over time. So if you want an outdoor loveseat that feels good for the looks and the price, you can't go wrong with the Neighbor Haven Loveseat. Number 1 is the Lubic Outdoor Patio Furniture Set. This is the best overall patio set on our list. If you're thinking about upgrading your backyard or patio, this set really has it all. The Lubic comes with 2 corner sofas, 4 middle sofas, a coffee table, and a 43-inch propane fire pit table. It's also modular, and you can set it up in so many ways. L-shaped, square, or just scattered around your deck or lawn. It's flexible, so you can make the space fit your style. And the materials are durable. The frame is made of thick stainless steel, and the wicker is high-density polyethylene, which makes it lightweight but durable enough to handle sun, rain, or wind. Plus, the cushions are thick and soft, with straps to keep them in place and removable covers for easy cleaning. They're also splash-proof, so you don't have to stress over spills. Now, the fire pit table is a standout. It has a dual tube burner with one-touch ignition and 55,000 BTU output, so you can get warmth quickly without the mess of ash or smoke. It's perfect for evening hangouts or just cozying up with a blanket. Assembly is straightforward too. The set comes in 5 boxes with clear instructions, and the customer service team is also responsive. Ashley puts it as great value for the price. It looks stylish, feels sturdy, and was surprisingly easy to put together. I did it solo in a couple of hours. The cushions are comfortable, and it fits my 12x10 patio perfectly. Definitely a hidden gem if you're looking for an affordable yet quality set. So if you want a patio set that combines style, comfort, and versatility, the Lubic Outdoor Patio Furniture Set is hands down the best choice. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect outdoor patio furniture. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each piece of patio furniture. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.